Let's nourish our curls with a DIY whipped curl cream. This all-natural, super fluffy cream is designed to lock in moisture. It's going to be a really great addition to your beauty arsenal and perfect for the upcoming winter months. If you're new here, welcome to Lotus Flower Life. My name is Michelle. Subscribe and hit that bell for more DIY videos just like this one. The base of this cream is cocoa butter, and unlike shea butter, cocoa butter has a lightweight, non-greasy kind of feel. It absorbs really quickly. It also has no scent to it, which is a major plus because this curl cream is going to take on any scent you add to it really beautifully. Because cocoa butter is a pretty hard butter, we're going to soften it up with some herb-infused oil. Using the cold infusion method, I put calendula, lavender, and marshmallow roots into grapeseed oil for about 6 weeks. I know that's a super long time, so I linked a much shorter method in the description box that takes about 48 hours, so make sure you check that out. To prevent this oil-based cream from oxidizing, we'll be adding some vitamin E oil, and this will extend the shelf life of our cream, and there's no water in the recipe, so it won't be necessary to add a broad spectrum preservative. Later on, I'll show how I use a cream to prevent water from getting into it and forming unwanted bacteria. Lavender essential oil is safe to use on sensitive skin. It has many great benefits for the scalp, as well as creating a soothing effect on the nervous system just from inhaling the aroma, but feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. I chopped up my cocoa butter so that I could get a really accurate measurement of how much I needed, which was 8 ounces, and then I'm going to strain the herb-infused oil, and we're going to set that aside for later. Next up, we're going to go ahead and melt the cocoa butter completely with the double boiler method, and I have the pot on low and it's creating a nice gentle steam to help melt it down. Okay, now for the good part. We are going to whip up this luxurious, amazing cream. You want to whip it on high for around 10 minutes and then you should have the perfect texture. And just a tip, cut the tip of a Ziploc bag for a non-messy way to transfer the cream into the jar. Because this cream has no preservative in it, it is very important how you use it so that you don't end up putting bacteria into the mixture. I always just take a little spoon, a clean, dry spoon, that's what's the most important, and I take out the portion that I need and put it in a clean bowl. I never put my hands or wet hands directly into the jar. That way it can stay bacteria free. And for my hair personally, which is low porosity and a little bit on the finer side, a quarter size is enough to style my entire head of curls, but play with the amount. I paired the whipped curl cream with my homemade hair serum. I put the curl serum first as my water base, sealed it in with the cream, styled with my flaxseed gel, and then I just dried my hair as normal. As you guys can see, this curl cream pairs really well with my homemade hair serum, so you could watch that video next. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and share it with anyone who you feel like might enjoy it. As always, I'm sending you all the love, light, and good vibes, and I will see you in the next one.